Here I have VIVO V11. Let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select settings. From the list of settings, we need to scroll down and choose here more settings. Then let's scroll down again and choose backup and reset. From the following mode, let's choose here reset network settings, and this operation will reset all network settings for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap reset settings to accomplish that operation and tap reset settings again to start resetting your network. That's it, network has been reset. So now you can go back and use your device with the default network configuration. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.